Good evening, everyone, and welcome to session recap 26th of June 2017 and 5 different setups. So past week was very good. We have a trade of the week that was pound yen, and definitely market is not moving a lot, but pound yen and yen pairs are always good to trade. So at this point we have some movement in euro dollar. It's like a ranging movement. Pound dollar is moving in downtrend. Australian dollar is ranging. Euro yen is uptrending, and pound yen. I prepare setups. You will see. So bear with me before we begin. Always standard risk disclaimer explaining that CFD and forex trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. And these products are not suitable for everyone. So if you're a new trader or you want to inform yourself, have in mind that all forex trading has a risk in it. And to read a full risk disclosure, go to this web address. Also, have in mind that patience is the key to trading success. So you need to be patient and wait for the setups to develop. So rules and setups for our session recap trading. Always try to give price a breathing room, and we can enter within 15 pips of the predicted level, of course, if it's in agreement with your system. Also use scaling in if you wish, and don't forget it, you do your own trade and money management. Add the spread to your stop loss even if you trade via ECN at 2 to 5 pips depending on the pair traded. Don't forget that the first touch of the zone is the most profitable. That is why we need to focus on the first touch. Positional trades are called trend trades, but alternative trades are always counter trend trades unless alternative trade goes in the same direction. Breakout trades and scalp trade levels can be traded independently of any position. Depending on time and volatility, we use profit stop after 20 pips, but not less. As session recap setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes the day after tomorrow. Always pay attention to my Twitter updates, and don't forget that scalp trades should be done very close to important support resistance levels. Add these levels to your system. Pay attention to trend, so if we miss POC entry, we can always try to scalp the trend. And the term pips pool, it is the maximum available number of pips you could have got on recap entries. And this is the result for the previous week. 19th of June, we had euro dollar alternative trade for 100 pips. Pound dollar was minus 30. Australian dollar was plus 40. Dollar CAD was minus 30. And pound yen potential 160. Even more because the price went way above DP. So total pips pool was 240 possible, and the trade of the week was pound yen. This is euro dollar, and this is how euro dollar actually looked like. This is, you can see I scalped a little bit of short trade today. I got into my entry here, so that is why you see TP, but it's not important for this slide. I got a little bit offshore. I got 15 pips today on euro dollar, but this is what previous week gave us. We had a great buy opportunity here, and you can see what happened. After the price hit our entry position here, it went way above. I thought it would have been a little bit more. I could say maybe I expected a little bit more to the upside. It could have gone a little bit more to the upside, but definitely this tells me that euro dollar is ranging, and I'm not sure that we will see this TP. Of course, this was for buy trade just because market is heavily ranging on euro dollar. ATR is 60 pips, very low ATR. But nevertheless, for all of you who traded, as I told you, you could have made very nice pips to the upside. Pound dollar was a loss. We had a big candle rejection, and that candle broke through our POC zone. It stopped at our stop loss. Then it retraced, but it retraced after it hit the stop loss, probably maybe not immediately, but still you see the price went to our entry, then dropped. Australian dollar was also good trade. We had a buy position around 75.50, and well, this is our entry. The price never hit stop loss, and it went upside afterwards. Dollar CAD was again a small loss of 30 pips. The price went up. It rejected a little bit only for 15 pips, but then hit stop loss. And pound yen was definitely the trade of the week. We had a sell position that was initiated here. Then stop loss was never hit. You can see here. It went to 54, and if you add 2 to 5 pip spread, it was never hit, and then watch the drop. Excellent trade setup. Stop loss was at the right spot, and pound yen was the trade of the week. Big, big, big rejection, and this is the result for the previous week. Now, let us mention euro dollar, because euro dollar is close to possible buy position. The thing is that euro dollar is really ranging heavily, and to me this looks like a ranging market a lot. This is a heavy range. So based on that, we might see a sell position around 1250, stop loss 1275, TP possible 1200. But also alternative trade could come around 1170 with a stop loss 1140 and TP 1270. So we might see a possible rejection in euro dollar based on the range. Let me show you the chart, and here I will explain. So euro dollar, this is it. Euro dollar, it's ranging price action. Even if you open a 4-hour chart, you will see the range. You see price is going up and down. This is major range. This is minor range. So very, very big range here. There is no trend on euro dollar. So 1170 possible buy trade. You can add Fibonacci here from this spot to this spot. And you can see around 1170, 79. Here you have daily L3, EMA 89, ATR pivot point, order block. I think price could reject again. 1250, again, based on recent price action and the range. 1250 is, let me zoom out. You see, this is the zone, 1235. Here, this is the zone where we might see rejection. And also it's weekly H4. Also it's close to daily H5. ATR top here, historical sellers. So I think that euro dollar is still in the range, and well, you should try to exploit the range until the range is broken and we have another trend. At this point, there is no trend. Pound dollar is in downtrend. 1.2800 is positional sell. Only 25 if you add a little bit of spread and a few pips more, that would be like 30 possible pips of a stop, but it's 28.25. TP 27, buy is 26.80, stop 26.50, TP 28, and buy breakout possible above 28.25 with a stop loss below last 1 hour high and TP 29.50. This is the pound dollar. So 26.80 possible trade. It would be a counter trend trade. And you see you have order block here, previous low. You have also daily L4. and here it's, see, this is the zone. So if the price gets here in the zone, I think we could see a rejection. Course to the upside, 28 is a strong level. And only if 28.25 holds, the price will be rejected. If not, I think the price will proceed to the upside. Although this is resistance, 28.40, but I think it will break if the price gets above 28.25. So buy, sell, breakout, buy. Next is Australian dollar. It's not just coincidence that the price is ranging. Of course, we have a summer holiday season, and there is no much movement as it happens to be during normal season. So this will, of course, last until, let's say, September, but it's normal. You still have some pairs to trade, very good. Yen is excellent. Pound crosses are also good. You have negotiations with Brexit. You also have some nice movement in, let's say, minor currencies such as pound New Zealand. These major currencies are not big movers, but still, if you watch my live trading session and this session recap, you will always have some chance to trade. So Australian dollar is 75.40 buy position. So we could maybe see this trade opportunity during the Tokyo session. So around 75.40, you see here a lot of buyers here, even below here. See a lot of buying. Also is WL3, daily L4, a lot of buying. So I think if the price gets here, it could be moved to the upside. And 76.15 is sell spot. Historical sellers, previous head and shoulders formation, ranging market, but head and shoulders. And I think the price could reject here. So Australian dollar is in range. Euro yen, I did the analysis today. So if you read my analysis, this is a possible buying opportunity. 124.30, stop is 124, TP 125.20. Also watch for 124.50 possible rejection, because we might see rejection, and I already told you that if the price gets here, it might reject. And I will show you on Admir Markets website. I did the analysis here. The price was 124.90. It dropped at retest of 65 after I published the analysis. And that is what happened. So maybe you could have made some money. Even if you traded today, you could have made 30 pips from my analysis. Because here you see the price retested the region and went up, as I presumed. And I think we might see another retest. So that is why I said watch for 124.50. So the first rejection on Euro Yen was good after I published the analysis a couple of hours later. And then I still expect Euro Yen to be bought, 124.30. Let's see if that will happen. This is possible buying opportunity. So I will roll the slides again. And then you might ask me questions if anything is not clear or you want something else. Just go ahead and ask me, of course. So first, we will start with the euro dollar slide. Okay. Now pound dollar. Yeah, sorry, pound yen I didn't show. Yes, pound yen is the last one. Pound yen is positional buy and alternative sell. Yeah, this is the last setup, sorry, before I roll the slides. So 4100, 1 and 4100 is buy trade. Stop loss is 141.70 TP, 143.00. Sell trade is 143.00. Stop loss 143.50 TP, 142.20. So this is pound yen, and this is how it looks. But just find the chart here. Okay. It should be here. Yeah. So 141.00. This is potential buying opportunity here. Previous head and shoulders, right shoulder inverted. You see inverted head and shoulders. So it means historical buyers. It's daily L3, also close to daily L3, and it's very close to daily projection low, that is 141.50. Sell trade is 143.00 here. A lot of sellers in the history. It's also WH4 resistance. And here, sellers. So I think if the price gets there, we will see sellers, definitely. There is some leaned head and shoulders, but I cannot call this full head and shoulders, just because you see, this could be like lean, but it's not that strong, because you see this. This is triple trend line that has been broken and retested. So that is why I think this could be a continuation of uptrend. You see, this was here. If you just align this trend line, you see, okay, like this. See, there is a breakout, retest, now moment buyers. So the price could reject to the upside. This is how it looks like. Now let me roll the slides, and then I will answer your questions. So euro dollar is first, pound dollar is second. So yeah, possible two-way trading. Okay. Now, Australian dollar, euro yen, and pound yen. Okay, so let's see if you have any questions. Of course, I will be glad to answer. The first question is pound New Zealand. So pound New Zealand, let me just open the chart. Okay, pound New Zealand here. See, it's even in not so volatile market conditions, pound New Zealand is still having a big ATR. I will just correct this ATR to 14. You see, 187 pips is ATR of pound New Zealand. There is a typo probably in pound yen. Yes, it's 140.7 TTP. Sorry, stop loss. So yes. Okay, this is, you see my screen now, 140.70. This is correct. 35 pips stop loss. So yeah, pound New Zealand. there is a downtrend in pound New Zealand, potential M-shaped pattern. If this breaks to the downside, I think the price might proceed to WL4 and WL5. But this level here, WL3 needs to break. Ideally, for the pound New Zealand to remain bearish, we should see a close below WL3, weekly L3. Next question is New Zealand Swissy. This looks bullish to me, but you will have important data for New Zealand today, so pay attention. There should be a movement in New Zealand pairs. So I think that New Zealand will be volatile. So definitely pay attention. Also, this pair, New Zealand Swissy, is in uptrend. This is bullish pattern. This is inverted head and shoulders. And you see the price should break this trend line, close above daily H5 in order to proceed further to the upside. Okay, so just give me a few seconds to reply and I will continue with your questions. Okay, so okay, let me see. A question about Euro Yen again. Well, this is Euro Yen. And I said today, if we see a retest of 144.65, we could see another rejection. And that happened today. This is when my analysis was done. And after my analysis, yes, it came into some profit indeed. So Euro Yen was good to go long. I warned you not to go short because this definitely looked like an uptrend to me. And if you heeded my advice, then you would have been in nice profit now. And again, possible rejection. If it gets to POC zone, we might see a possible rejection. Now, next question. What do you think about dollar yen? Dollar yen, this one. Again, possibly this could be bought into dips, but simply because the price it's going up. If you want to buy the dip, this is the dip. But if the price breaks this zone here, it should proceed down. So buying could happen here, down we go if the price breaks this trend line. Dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Let's see. A range in price action. Not much to say about dollar CAD. This is the major range here. You see, this is the top. This is the bottom here. Now, inside that range, there is also a mini range here. So this price on this instrument is really ranging. And to me, this is not much about positional trading. It's more like scalping. Goran is asking about long-term oil. I don't have oil chart at this point, but also it would be hard for me to analyze oil now simply because it's subjected to political decisions. So I don't know really. It's very early to say at this point. We will see what will happen in the near future, but everything might happen. Yeah. Jonathan is asking about why is dollar not moving. I already told you this is holiday season trading, so pairs are not moving much. Gold is bearish. Yes, it went down, And this is where you might start to think about sell. New sell could happen here. This is bearish and we might see rejection. Okay, yeah, possible rejection on gold at this spot. Next question is, so pay attention to this is order block, strong order block. This is pivot, this is, so I would look into a sell position around this level here, zone, this zone here. Okay. Euro CAD. This could go up if this level holds. But also, this looks like this is really a twofold, because here you have W and then you have head and shoulders. So this could go both ways. Now, recent price action suggests that this is potential. I cannot say shoulder, but this looks like it could go up to the upside. But yet again, this is ranging price action. But it could reject from this zone and go up. New Zealand yen. This is uptrend. Yes. New Zealand yen. It's strong uptrend. So if this trend line holds, you might see a buying from this level, 81.20. If it drops, then we might possibly see a move of this trend line, and this will be your buying spot. This could be your buying spot. 80-90 zone here. But first, you have this trend line that is holding the price at this point. You see how many touches this trend line has. So if it breaks down, it could come here and you might see probably a bounce trade. Ahmed is asking about New Zealand dollar. We still need to see data today for New Zealand dollar. I think that New Zealand dollar will go two-way after tonight's news. This is bullish price action, so we might see some retracement towards this zone here, and if it wants to reject, it should reject from this zone. I haven't been trading a lot lately, New Zealand dollar, because I don't like to see this. 54 of ATR indicates that the price is very slow. Yes, Luca, stop loss on pound yen is 140.70 course, because when you sell, you cannot place, when you buy, sorry, you cannot place your stop loss above. You need to place it below, so 140.7. Pound dollar with POC zones. This is pound dollar. So 28.25 possible buy breakout. 20.60.80 is zone for buy trade. And sell trade is 28. So this could happen. Do we have on dollar yen, do we have a flag? Let's see. No, I mean, this could be something similar. It looks like a potential flag, yes. So watch for a breakout. It is correct, Ahmed. This is a flag. Can you roll the slides? Yes. Just after I see if there is more questions. Are you using EMA 89? Yes, Raymond. Exponential moving average 89. Ahmed, thanks. That means that we might see this pair move to the upside. Yes, possibly if it breaks and closes above this flag, it should go more to the upside. Akbar is saying, I like your stop loss. It's very low. That is why I'm confident about your position. No depression. Exactly, Akbar. So please, if you have any more questions, ask me. Can you repeat once more about dollar CAD? Let's see. I need to find it. Okay, this is euro yen pound yen and dollar CAD. Okay, let's wait a couple of seconds. Ranging price section. On dollar CAD, you have two ranges. You have major range and you have minor range. This is the range inside the range. Ahmed is saying, I would like to thank you very much. You're welcome. For emails, if you want Camarilla MACD or Camarilla story indicator, just send me and I will send Camarilla. Maybe I missed some of your emails, but I always reply. You just need to send me again. And yes, Euro GBP, then I will roll the slides. Let's see, Euro GBP. Potential to the upside, but slightly range. So Euro GBP is a little bit trapped in this range. And I think that price is mainly in between this lower trend line and upper trend line. So what we could see is actually price getting down towards this level and then waiting in this pinnacle. So when it breaks the pinnacle, it should proceed either up or down. CAD yen. This is inverted head and shoulders on CAD yen. You can see price is reluctant to go up at this point, but we still have a trend line. So when this trend line breaks, the price could get here and reject. This looks bullish, CAD yen. Indeed, looking bullish. I will roll the slides to ask any questions if you have. Euro dollar. Pound dollar. Australian dollar. Euro yen. Pound yen. Now, can you take a look at GBP Australian dollar? Yeah. Same, similar, you see? It's a bullish price action, but price is going up and down. But this is bullish. Inverted head and shoulders. Left, head, right. This is a little bit out of the sync, but definitely inverted head and shoulders and possible buy trades. Buying could happen from this zone. Okay, I will roll the slides again, but please pay attention to euro dollar, pound dollar. Australian dollar, euro yen, pound yen. Euro GBP. I already covered Euro GBP today. I'm not sure that you paid attention to, but I already did a Euro GBP. Let me just find where the pair is here. It's a ranging price, possible rejection. When this one of these levels break, I think that will be a signal for upward continuation or downward movement. My latest analysis on Euro GBP showed that actually Euro GBP was bullish. And you can see that it's being rejected from my POC zone. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to Admiral Markets website and find latest Euro GBP analysis that I did a couple of days ago. So this was it. I don't see any further questions. Don't forget to sign up for my live Wednesday trading. I think I will provide you with more setups. So far we had 1 or 2 setups and one usually market order. But next time on Wednesday, I think we will see more setups and maybe more market orders also. But it's okay. 1 and 2 market orders are also correct because, you know, it's only 1 hour time. So definitely we have a great week of trading. Ahmed is asking, how can I join on Wednesday? So here, for all of you who don't know yet, go to Admiral Markets website and then click Education, Forex and CFD webinars and sign up. Wednesday live trading session with Nenad. I trade on live account and I trade live, making orders. So just sign up. Euro is in the zone, Paul, indeed. Yes, so we might opt to buy Euro. It is in POC zone. Okay. I don't see any questions. So I assume that everything is clear. And I will see you on Wednesday, guys. Trade the price when you see that the price is not moving much. Just try to protect your profits. I will be here with you again. I hope that this week we will have also many pips as we always do. And of course, tomorrow, expect new analysis. So this is what we have for this week regarding session recap. And sign up for live Wednesday trading. Cheers, everyone. Talk to you soon. Trade safe.